Welcome. In this video I will show you how to run Diagnostics on your ACER Chromebook 315. First of all, open the Start menu and then go to Settings. In Settings, navigate all the way down to About Chrome OS section on the sidebar and then select Diagnostics. After that, you can run the charge test, but you're gonna have to unplug your device from the charging cable and let your battery drain for a certain period of time. You can run CPU tests right here by clicking this option. Then wait for the test to complete. Once the test is complete, you can learn more in Help Center to troubleshoot your issues if for example, if your CPU didn't pass all the tests, like in my case. And you can also save test details to your downloads folder by clicking Save. And this way you can also perform the memory test, then the connectivity test, and the keyboard test, which you'll have to do manually. So you're gonna have to type any key on your keyboard and check if they work properly. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.